Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best stain stripper? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose stain stripper with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right stain stripper. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Defy Exterior Stain Paint Remover. We consider Defy Exterior Wood Stain the best wood stain remover because it has exceeded our expectations performance. You use it to remove a clear finish and a semi-transparent stain. Using this paint stripper is not stressful. Just apply with a sprayer and then rinse with a good quality power washer. Please remember that this deck stripper will not do away with paint, solid color stain, or any other film forming finish. Defy Exterior Wood is a super wood deck paint remover that excels in cleaning the wood furniture and removing mill glaze, clear finishes, dust and paint chips, and dirt. It restores the natural wood color even if it is old and weathered. This exterior wood stain stripper is ready to use formula. You do not have to go through the trouble of thinning it to achieve the desired consistency. Number 2. Restore a Deck Wood Stain Stripper. Some stains can be as stubborn as a mule. No matter your best efforts to get them off the surfaces, they just won't yield. Removing wood stains that won't come off without putting a spirited fight will not be stressful if you use this wood stain remover. Restore a Deck is a powdered deck stain stripper that easily, quickly, and affordably removes stubborn stains. It removes clear, transparent, semi-transparent, and semi-solid coatings. This stain stripper will not remove stubborn stains such as solid color stains, thick paints, polyurethanes, or overly applied acrylics. This powdered formula yields 5 gallons of liquid when mixed. As a result, this varnish remover quantity is 5 gallons. So, for a measly $7, you can easily remove stains and restore your wood furniture. The wood stain stripper is environmentally friendly and poses no danger to pets or humans. For best results, use a pump sprayer. Alternatively, if the finish you need to remove comes off easily, inject it into a pressure washer and start the stripping process. Number 3. Smart Strip Advanced Stain and Paint Remover. Smart Strip is also the best paint stripper safe for the user and the environment. If you're looking for the best professional paint remover, look no further than this product. This deck stripper is unrivaled in its ability to work as advertised. Because it does not contain methylene chloride, it is safe for pets, people, and the environment. This water-based paint stripper removes multiple layers of paint up to 15 coats of urethane, lead paint, oil-based stains, and other coatings with ease. So it doesn't matter what kind of stain you used on the surface before because this deck stain remover will attack it head-on. Because it is water-based, it contains no VOX and emits no unpleasant odors when used. The wood stain stripper is simple to use, so even a novice DIYer can use it effortlessly and get professional results. You only need to follow the self-explanatory user instructions on the can, and the rest will be history. You can use a high-quality brush, roller, or a traditional airless spray to apply it. Allow the stain remover to sit on the coatings for 4 to 24 hours, depending on the number of coats and paint or stain you need to strip. Number 4. Citrus Strip QCSG801 Paint and Varnish Stripping Gel. If you require the best paint stripper that can work on different surfaces without causing you undue stress, this is the product you've been looking for a long time. It's one of the best deck strippers on the market. The varnish remover stays wet for up to 24 hours, allowing you to remove multiple layers in a single step. This saves you time, enabling you to move on to the next paint stripping stress and finish the work in record time. It is a good wood lacquer remover, varnish, latex, and oil-based stain. It contains no harsh chemicals and is suitable for interior use. Use the stain remover to remove paint. The all-purpose gel is excellent for removing multiple layers of stains. Use it to remove epoxy from wood. You can also use it on masonry and metal surfaces. It produces a citrus smell that will not upset you when using it. It is non-toxic, and you won't worry about it irritating your skin if it comes into contact with your body. If you are trying to strip oil-based paint from a surface, you need to apply a heavy coat, cover the area with a plastic sheet, and give it 4 days. Number 5. Oxalic acid 99.6% 5 lb. DEC, Wood Stain Remover. This product is for you if you need to remove stubborn stains from multiple surfaces. Use it on PVC fencing, landscaping rock, patio blocks, sidewalk, etc. The beauty of this product is that it could give you the exact value for your hard-earned cash. Because you can mix the solution yourself and modify its strength to suit the job at hand, you can save a lot of the material by combining it mildly for jobs that don't demand a lot of power. You can make it a little more potent for tough jobs. If you need further clarification on anything regarding the product, reach out to the manufacturer, and the company will get back to you in the shortest time possible. Another significant benefit of this product is its low cost. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.